Hey, hi. What is passive income and is it easy to generate passive income? So, this has been the buzzword of late in the last 4 months because most of us has lost money and most of us have lost job. More than money, it's losing job and trying to find out what can generate income during this time, right? So, before we jump in, hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book called Money Leaks, and we are in the series called Top 5 Percentage. What is top 5 percentage? If you want to be in the top 5 percentage, money works for you. So do you want to get into the top 5 percentage? You should do certain things in that way and you should avoid certain things so that you are in the top 5 percentage. So are you interested? So today's topic is, what is passive income and is it easy to generate passive incomes? Because there are so many, the buzzword is passive income, but if you google it up, you will end up lots of things, and people do so many things and they think that it is passive income. Most of my friends will ask that, can I invest in this mutual fund or stock market? Can I get passive income? I want to trade and make passive income. I want to do this and give money to this guy so that I generate passive income month on month. So will it work? Because it didn't. Most of them had lost money, and but the point that they lost money to wrong person, but not to the idea that the passive income idea itself is wrong. Let's go and deep and understand in the next 10 minutes what is passive income and is it really difficult, right? So very simple way to understand how this passive income works. Okay, so what is passive income? Money grows without you, as simple as that. Very simple, money grows without you. So but generally what many people are doing is that they will invest in a mutual fund, they want to get money out of it. They will invest in a stock market and they want money out of it. They are in business and they want money out of it regularly and thinking that business can grow even if you don't invest, like just like you are investing certain amount in a month and withdrawing certain amount, but that is income. But if you want your money to grow, you need to leave, you need to do lots of stuff. Okay, let's go to two important things you need to consider before thinking that you are generating passive income, right? So these are something I'm just going to demystify. This is what I understood in the last 4 years. After quitting my company, I was working in IT company and then started my wealth management distribution company, and last 4 years I'm running it, and I wrote a book, and this is what I did. I attended lots of seminars. Many people think that passive income can be generated easily, and it's quite possible, but the point is either you need to invest your time or you need to invest your money. Let's understand what is investing your time and how passive income can be generated using this value, right? First one is developing skills. So this is most important. Before we start anything, we should develop our skills. Either if you want to become a coach or trainer, you need to undergo lots of things. You need to understand, go through lots of courses to understand how they are getting done. And if you're a designer, for example, you need to undergo lots of trainings. There are lots of places where Skillshare and Udemy, they teach step-by-step process to learn with just investment of pure, some amount, but it requires lots of practice because it's online. You're learning from over the internet, and it can be video editing things. Video editing has gone to a new level, and day before yesterday I was watching a lyric video song. It's a trailer kind of stuff, and it looks very appealing just because VFX has been done on it and it requires lots of stuff. It's just 10 days work, but that guy has invested his lots of time and energy, and the output is so huge. I'm talking about a movie called Doctor in Tamil where it was very appealing. The song itself was appealing, and that requires that kind of things. He never expected that I will end up in doing this job. He wanted to do a movie and he wanted to go to US and do something else, but after started doing a couple of songs, this guy started doing VFX for especially lyrics. So he just brought it down. He's not doing VFX for the entire movie. Probably maybe in the future he may do along with Shankar, but right now he just focused upon doing a small portion, that to a lyric video, that to a teaser kind of stuff, teaser and a song kind of stuff. So that's how niche it has come. So if you're passionate about something, you start googling it up, learn the skill. That is one thing. And developing a business, this is something so many of you should focus upon. You are starting a business, and if you're running a business such that if you're running, your business is running. If you're not running, if your business is not running, that means that you are a self-employed, you are in your own business, and it cannot be said as a business because you are working as an employee in your own company. So to overcome that, what you should do? One is, I just heard about ClickFunnels story. I was reading the book called Traffic Secrets. This book is one good, awesome book. It's not only for online business. You can take that step and implement the way he has structured the book. You can implement in any medium, even in a print medium, and that is what is said even in BNI. That's what I understood. I could relate so many steps together. So he was almost like he was learning marketing for a very long time. Russell Branson is the name. He was learning marketing for a very long time, and he wanted to do something in online digital marketing, not digital, internet marketing. That's what he used to say. And internet marketing, not very. He launched ClickFunnels, I think, around 2014-15, and from 2002-3 the story started from there. So I think so, around close to more than 10 years of journey. Here and there, he used to do so many things. He has invested a lot in so many online businesses, learned lots of things, made lots of money. But marketing, learning that marketing, making the pitch, everything he learned. And when he was about to launch ClickFunnels, he made sure entire thing was ready. And right now, he made his business such that every month he's making more than $1 million. It's a bootstrap startup company. That's how he is proudly calling it off. And it's so true, because he's helping lots of people. In the way, he's making lots of money. And the intermediaries who are supporting him or making him an affiliate, now they are also able to make money, huge sum of money. So it means that he's not only growing, he's making all the people associated with him also growing, and the people who are buying from also is growing. So is it a very good company? So that's how your business should be. But are you having the proper system and process? Are you following it up? All these are really necessary for growing your business. Now 10 years from now, he is innovating on every day, I can say that, because his thought process is like that, and his podcasts are so huge, and so huge in the sense valuable. So that's how you should learn, you should implement things. It took him 10 years to master something, and when he launched ClickFunnels, he made sure it's an instant hit. He did lots of work for that. So I was able to understand once I went through the book, and 2 more series are waiting in that secret trilogy. So I should buy that 2 more books in the short time, right? So this is how it can be. And one more thing is, either if you're not coming across things, if someone is calling you for seminars, that's how you can enlighten yourself. You learn what it takes to generate passive income, because it's a wrong it become a wrong word right now, because so many people lose money. I will say towards probably in the next few minutes. So where they will teach you what it takes to run a business, what it takes to make money, and it requires lots of consistent effort. This consistency is what differentiates the people who are making lots of money and the people who are not, who are trying to make money, and the people who are not doing something, who are not doing anything and complaining about these 2 guys, right? So it takes a lots of effort, consistent efforts to go to that level. So what will happen if you do all these stuff? If you're spending your time initially, the story what I said about Russell Branson, it took him 10 years. I just want to complete in 10 minutes. So that is the thing. So it took him 10 years, but the point is, he was able to launch a business along with two other co-founders who are in alignment with him, and now he's a millionaire. He's adding lots of values every now and then. He's having a mastermind team who are willing to grow together, and he is willing to accommodate everybody. The kind of mindset he has, the growth mindset, and having everyone's view, that's how you should be. You can't grow alone. You can't grow by thinking yourself. All it takes is your time, your energy. This is what is needed here. Money is next one, because he borrowed money from his wife. He used to say that literally she used to fully believe on this guy, and she used to spend lots of money, and that's how he started landing up so many things, and finally ClickFunnels was an instant hit. Now they are able to live a happy life. So either money will automatically come in, that should not be a problem. But thing is, if you need passive income, you need to invest your time and energy to learn lots of stuff. You should be ready. Your focus should be like that. Your passive income is growing. And his focus was on selling so many stuff right from his. I think he started selling potato gun. That's what the example says, from his early age. So he started selling potato gun in Google. And from then on, his search for selling online goods started. He used to buy so many things right from his childhood days. His parents never said no. He used to borrow money from his parents and order so many stuff in online because he was in US. Ordered lots of stuff. So many didn't work, and whatever worked, he tried, tested, and that's how you should put in your energy. So for developing your business, that is the reason I was saying lots of stuff. And money, this is the most important thing, because if you look at, many people come into stock market thinking that they can generate money, and that's where they lose lots of money, right? Are you in trading? Do you want to do trading? You need to learn. Without learning anything, if you put in your money, maybe First time you will make money, second time, third time, but the fourth, fifth time you will lose by heavy margin, because first three times out of luck or something you made lots of money. In the fourth, fifth time you will take a huge amount of risk, which will end up in a huge amount of losses. Because I was having a chat with one of my chartered accountant friend. He was saying that his client for the last 2-3 years he used to spend lots of money on trading, and he lost 4-5 lakhs every year. And this year during the March last week, we had a huge fall from 42,000 to 26,000. So he traded, he did a short, and at that time he made 40 lakhs of money. But within next 2 months he lost the entire money, so he's ended up in zero right now. So that's how the market will reward. If you're not learning anything out of the mistakes you're doing, you will end up in losses, and that too especially with money. And commercial real estate, again, this is one place, and all these are neat things. After learning all the stuff, after putting in your money, then it will give. It requires lots of money to invest in all this stuff. So that is what I'm saying. Again, if you are taking the money out initial phase itself, then it won't grow. For example, commercial real estate, there is something called fractional real estate which is coming up, and if you're putting in your money, you will be getting rental yield. And if you're taking that money and investing, spending on unnecessary stuff, the passive income concept will go away. You need to reinvest that again, and that should grow for the next 5 years or 10 years, and that will be the biggest amount. Because why you need passive income all of a sudden right now? Just because you accumulated corpus of 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, or 1 crore, it doesn't mean that you need money right now. You need money when you are not working. You need money when you're not willing to work, and money should just start coming in. That should be the ideal scenario for generating passive income. And investing in business, this you can do either in a small level business or bigger level business. And if you're investing in a bigger level business where there is a systems and process and people, and you need lots of money to invest, and then it can grow off, or it can grow or go off. And both the things, you should keep investing in new companies. It's like investing in a startup. Most of the things, the venture capitalists, the hedge funding, all these things will come in place, and you need lots of money to invest. Or you can start with giving a money to a lower level MSME kind of people, where they require money for getting an order, and they will give it back immediately. And next one is P2P lending. It's a limited version of that concept, because you will be giving generally you will be giving money to friends, and so many relatives will come and ask. You will be giving money for say 50,000, 1 lakh at times, and it's really hard to get their money back, right? This might be the situation. Instead, how about putting the money in a P2P lending platform, where they will be giving your 50,000 to 10 people, 1 lakh to 20-30 people. A minimum investment can be 500 with one guy whom you don't know, but all the CIBILs check and all the background check of the person will be done by the P2P platform. It's a SEBI authorized, RBI authorized platform. So P2P lending is slowly catching up in India, but right now it's a tough situation. Now maybe I won't recommend to put your money in this kind of platform until you understand what is the risk involved. Right, so P2P lending is slowly catching up in India. Slowly it has been done, and you can rent room. Airbnb has grown its model just because everybody started making money. If you are 3 BHK, you can rent room, but right now the complete model got complete model is destroyed. I can say that's the word, because of COVID, the complete model got destroyed. Now nothing is working. So that can be so it can be one of the option. Or in southern part of India or across India, people used to rent a place, either 2 BHK or 3 BHK. They build a separate room and a place where they can live it for rent. So this can be one of the aspects, but rental yield you need to consider. But among the two, time and money, either you need to invest your time initially. If you have lots of money, you can choose lots of options are available. Then it becomes easy. Generating passive income becomes easy. And most of the people in India, if you are in middle class segment and slowly going up to the upper middle class, you should be really careful, because your focus should be on multiplying your money. If you divert yourself in buying the assets, and it should be start making money. If you're buying assets that it is a dead investment kind of stuff, then you lose your way. Then you will stay in the same place. You're not going to go to the next place. And this is what people take part-time money making ideas. Most of the people think that it's a cool idea to make money in the part-time trading in stock market. Again, I'm putting this point because many people in the last 4 months, the data came in the news, and today's Livement online website, they shared that in most of the news channels it came that most of the retailers are coming into the stock market. They are making money, and it's not only the phenomenon in India right now, even in US, even in China. The people who got retail people are thronged, almost like 78% increase when you compare it with last year. It's alarming. And retailers generally come into market when there is a huge peak boom coming up. This happened in 2007 when market was booming like anything, and it's happening again in China in 2015. There was a huge rally in 2015, and immediately there was a huge sell off, and most of the people came on the road or just lost their way out. So that's what can happen. Part-time money making ideas, but it's not a passive income generating ideas, because you may not be able to focus your time and energy every now and then to make money. And video editing, photography, these can be part-time money making ideas. If you want to grow it to the next level, you should invest your time in improving it. Unless you are improving your time, even if it is a photography, you need to invest your time, because it's not quite easy. Just because you are having your mobile nowadays, they think that you are a photographer. But the thing is, it's not just naming your name, putting your name and saying it as Ganesan photography or Gani photography, making it looking like a very photographer. But the thing is, it requires lots of stuff, experimenting with lots of stuff. If you're not able to do it or not able to allocate time, again it will go off. Maybe probably in the next 3 to 6 months you will lose your way, because you're not making money, and you'll stop investing your time also. Then this idea goes away. And finally, this is what will happen. There are so many money making ideas which will come. It's a pyramid scheme, I can call that. And nowadays, with changing technology, things are changing. Because 2 hours back I was watching a video in Tamil. They did a show where people lose money. People are ready to make you fool, and you should be very clear. Are you going to get fooled? Because most of the times you will not say these things to your friends, so that you want to have all your returns by yourself. Maybe that is the idea. Or you don't want to involve your friends because what they will think. That might be the answer question. But just look at it. There is something called pyramid scheme. This scheme operates in in the same way across. First, there will be a set of people where they will come and teach you that this is how you can make money. You need to sell this product. You need to just give this product. Okay, and you just bring in 2 people under you. That's it. You don't need to do anything. And that 2 people should bring in 2 other people. And initially, for the first 2-3 weeks, you will start doing actively, and from their money you will be getting some money. So your investments, 1/3 of your investments has come back to you. And once they started working, maybe the another 2-3 layers will form. After that, the chain will get stopped. This is where they will know that after 3-4 chains, it's difficult to get the money. The people who are doing this now, it's happening in the name of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Forsage.io, Beldex coins. We don't know whether these are authorized by the government or not. We don't know how they are operating. But the point is, so many people are jumping in, because seeing that I joined 2 people and I got this much money, 7,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees immediately in my bank account. They'll show the proof. They'll even show the check leaf. But the point is, after that, will you be able to get money frequently or again and again? That's a huge point you should ask. And just think of, money will come to you only when you're serving lots of people. Just think of how many people you are serving, and that's how you will start making money. Okay, let me say this from this itself. The ClickFunnels story, the Russell Branson. He has been serving millions of people. That is the reason he is making millions of money. Just think of all the big guys. If you think of Ambani, he has been serving the whole nation right now with Jio. The price of the Jio 4G has been brought down like anything. The mobile rates have been brought down like anything. That is the reason he has been making lots and lots of money. And previously he has been doing petrochemicals. Now he has been into Jio. So unless you are ready to serve lots of people, and for that, if you're ready to serve lots of people, it requires lots of skills, right? And for that, either you should give your time initially, or you should invest your money. If you're investing your money, it means that already you had given your time. Am I right in saying? Because you had learned lots of things, you started making money, now you have built your money, and then you put your money to generate passive income, and then let that keep growing. If you spend, you will lose your way. You should keep your money investing again and again, reinvesting again and again, so that it's growing. You are not going to be there, but still it's growing. Just look at the stock market for the last 20-30 years. The stock value would have multiplied like anything. But it's not the case. If you're the most important point is, most of the people used to say, time is more precious, more than money. Where you're investing your time makes sense. If you want to generate passive income, just think of where you're focusing your money. Just think of where you are investing your time initially so that your money is growing, and that's when passive income will start flowing in. This is the time, because this time COVID time is very crucial, and people are losing the job, or they want money making generating ideas. It's easy to fool people in the name of easy money, but easy money never comes. So don't get fooled. So if you found this video helpful, please share this video with your friends, because many people lose their money in the name of passive income. So don't lose your money in the name of passive income. If someone is teaching you, try to learn what is that. See from all the angles, will it really be fruitful? Is it a foolproof method? Unless you do that, don't do. Even in stock market, learn lots of stuff. Unless you feel that money can be made, don't put your money. Unless you feel that, you get a confidence. That how you will learn lots of stuff. So please be careful, because this is the time, situations are very bad. Everyone needs money, and in that way they will come and fool you. So don't fall prey to those guys. Better to stay clear, better to stay awake from protecting yourself. If you want a passive income generating ideas, follow this, watch the video again, follow that, and probably in the next few years you will also make passive income on your own. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Please like our channel, like our page, and please invite your friends also to like our page. Thank you so much.